Hey guys, what'd you get for number 7? Golgi Apparatus, of course. The answer is always a Golgi Apparatus.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. We're here to tell you why our good friend, the Golgi Apparatus, should be your next president.
The Golgi apparatus is a very complex organelle that is found in eukaryotic cells. We can think of it as the cell's warehouse. The Golgi apparatus receives, sorts, and even ships proteins and lipids.
The Golgi apparatus is made up of flattened membranous sacs. Cells can contain hundreds of these. Each region of the Golgi apparatus contains different enzymes. Each selectively modify the contents depending on where it must go next.
Are your cells feeling suicidal? Blame lysosomes.
Death sacs.
These death sacs are responsible for your cell's destruction.
They burst and release chemicals into the cell that causes an unfortunate and excruciating death. They are also the cause of terrible diseases like Niemann-Pick disease and Tay-Sachs disease.
Lysosomes are sacs of digestive material? More like death sacs that eat your cell. Do you really want this as your next president?
No!
Ribosomes make polypeptide chains that are folded by other organelles.
Polypeptide chains? I can make those in my sleep. My uncle got diamond black fan anemia. My mom has early onset Alzheimer's, and my grandpa has gastric cancer. All because of you, ribosomes.
Thanks a lot! The cell membrane's function is to protect the cell and control the movement of substances in and out of the cells. Are you really offering protection if you allow anything small enough into the cell? Is it letting too much salt in and causing cystic fibrosis? Is the cell membrane not adequate enough for you?
Don't worry, many cells feel this way. Cell walls can fulfill the membrane's job and more. If the cell membrane is not adequately doing its job, how can it be adequate enough to be your next president? Does building a wall really solve all of our problems?
You must be insane if you vote for the cell membrane.
Endoplasmic reticulum folds proteins. If one is misfolded, the whole ER could degenerate. Do you want your president to give up after one small challenge?
No!
Heck no, man! President that won't cower in the face of adversity. This organelle isn't even suited for its own job, let alone the presidency.
Because of their fault, the other organelles are not qualified to be president.
However, the Golgi apparatus does acknowledge the functions they have in the cell. The Golgi will work with them once elected and will appoint some organelles into his cabinet.
The Golgi apparatus is the UPS station of the cell.
It listens to the needs of each organelle and provides for them in order for the cell to run properly.
The Golgi apparatus is not afraid of hard work. It tirelessly sorts, tags, and ships macromolecules day and night. We need a hard-working president.
We need the Golgi apparatus.
Yeah, we do. And anemia. My mom again. To you, ribosomes.
You can think of the apparatus. Think of it as the cell web.
Death cells.
Sachs disease? No.
Go.
Lysosomes are...
The cell membrane's function is to... The cell membrane's function...
Oh, I wasn't ready.
Go.
I'm not ready.
Go.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Wait, do I have to memorize it or do I have to say it to the camera?
Go.
No, I'm not saying like that. Each selectively modified. Each.
Go.
Don't worry, many cells feel this way. I lost the rest of it. Hang on.
Go.
Yeah.
Go.
We need a... organelles. Okay.
Go.
It listens...
You should only vote for the highest status, the Golgi apparatus.
Go Golgi or go home. Am I right, ladies?